Section 3, number 4, you're going to find the value of the variables in each of the figure, and you make sure you explain your reasoning on how you're setting up that equation. The two angles that we have here is the 126 here and the 7 parentheses x minus 7 here. Notice they're both at the same spot. So here you can say that they're corresponding. Because they're corresponding, we can say that their angles are congruent. Okay, the angles are congruent. That allows us to set up an equation of 126 is equal to 7 parentheses x minus 7, because again, they're corresponding, the angles are congruent. So let's divide by 7 to both sides. This allows us to cancel this. 126 divided by 7 gets us 18, equaling what's left is just an x minus 7 here. Add 7 to both sides, this will cancel, leaving you with 18 plus 7, which is 25, equaling to x. Let's take a look at B. Notice this is on the outside and this is also on the outside. Well, there isn't a particular theorem for this one, but if we notice, we can slide this right here. Because when we slide it, we notice that they make a linear pair. So we can say linear pair. That allows us to add up these two angles of 89 and 5x minus 24. We can add these two and set them equal to 180 because they're linear pair. 89 minus 24, it is 65. Okay, that is what happens when we combine like terms. So 5x plus 65 is equal to 180. Right, let's subtract 65 from both sides so we can get this to cancel, leaving us with a 5x is equal to 180 minus 65 is 115. Now we divide by 5 to both sides. This cancels, leaving you with a 115 divided by 5. It is x is equal to 23. Next, let's take a look here. We can grab this angle and we can now just slide it down. Notice it is right here. And we notice that it forms a linear pair because this is a line. So that 90 degrees added with that 2x plus 10, that's going to be equal to 180 because of linear pairs. And that allows us to now simplify 90 plus 10, which is 100. Bring down that 2x. So the left-hand side simplifies to 2x plus 100 is equal to 180. Subtract 100 from both sides, leaving you with a 2x is equal to 80. Then we divide by 2 to both sides. This gets you x is equal to 40. So there you go. We were able to solve for each one of the x's by setting up an equation based on their angle relationship.